Hi, welcome to IEEE Project Hub. In this video, we are going to see about phishing website detection using machine learning and deep learning methods. Actually, this project is mainly important it comes under the domain cybersecurity. We developed this project with the machine learning model SVM, that is support vector machine. We mentioned it is a classification project. We mentioned SVC, support vector classifier, and the deep learning model ANN, that is artificial neural network. The other name of ANN is called DNN, deep neural network. We developed this project in a Python. You want this project details in more detail means you can communicate with the phone number provided here 78994 58552, or you can mail to ieeeprojecthubindia.com. This project comes under the domain cybersecurity, web security, machine learning, deep learning, Python project. Any domain you can tell, it will cover all the domains. It will cover. Okay, so that how the movies, when you are taking the action movie, it is a comedy movie also there, no, or love movie will be there, no, like that. It will come under the multiple domain. Now, what is by phishing? Phishing is a cyber attack where attackers will set one duplicate website. For example, you are typing www.iciicibank.com. It will take you to lclcbank.com. The look-wise, the page and everything will be similar to ICICI Bank. Without your knowledge, you already given your, you will type your user ID and the password, you press OK button. Then it will tell server is busy, you will come out. But without your knowledge only, they collected your user ID and password. That is called phishing. For example, you are planning to go and meet one person. Another fake person will come and tell his name and he collecting information from you. That is also called phishing. Okay, it is a phishing, phishing. That is another one, phishing. That is we are doing the phishing for the eating fish. That is different. There are two types of phishing attacks are there: email phishing and website phishing. In this project, we are going to do the website phishing. That is a URL. When you are typing the URL, whether it is a phishing or not, we are going to do that. Why machine learning is used in phishing detection? Earlier, they used something signature based and based on the rule, they will do the things. That is not that much successful. It is giving the high false positive and false negative thing it will coming. Accuracy ratio is less. So that only we are going with a machine learning based. Here, it will learn from the patterns it will learn. And it will adopt the new techniques. So that the accuracy will be very high. In this project, we achieved a 99% accuracy with the ANN model. I'm going to show to you. Here, always compared to machine learning, deep learning is better when you are having the huge data set. When you are having very low data set, then machine learning you have to go. In this project, we are having more than 5 lakh records are there. So that we prefer that the deep learning for comparison purpose, we are using the machine learning here. Machine learning algorithm is a SVC model and the deep learning algorithm is a ANN model. We are using that. It is a system architecture. You can see that now we are having the data collected, more than 5 lakh records are there. It will go to the data analysis. We are doing the data pre-processing and we are splitting to the training and testing. Those data will go to the SVC model and the DNN model or ANN model. It will be trained the model. We are conducting the testing and the result analysis we are doing with the help of the accuracy, precision, recall, effort score, and some graphs also it will come. I'll showcase you. This is developed using Python programming. We are used TensorFlow, Keras, and Frontend development using Flask and HTML, CSS. It is working on the Windows operating system. This project will have the two part. One is a backend code and another one is a front-end code. Backend code we developed with the Jupyter notebook and another one is a front-end code with the web user interface. It is developed using a Flask. In the backend code, we are having that the two files. This is a input. We are having the phishing website dataset will be there. We are having a pre-processing file. In the pre-processing file, this is the dataset collected from the reputed website source we collected. We keep it. Totally, how many records are there? Means nearly 6,91,000 records are there approximately. With the features of 20 features are there, attributes are there. Last one is label. Remaining is 19 features are there. Okay, and we are doing the data pre-processing. Everything we are doing it, and with data visualization and everything we are doing it. Okay, then after that we are going for the training. Okay. In the training work, what we are going to do means we are splitting the data into 80 and 20%, and we given that the test data with the SVC model, and we are getting that the output of accuracy 85% accuracy we are getting. It is a less only compared to the ANN model. Then this is a confusion matrix of the SVC model. Then we are going with an algorithm to deep neural network. In that deep neural network or ANN, we are getting that the accuracy of nearly 99% accuracy we are getting it. Okay, here the training accuracy is 99, validation accuracy is 98. This is the training validation loss graph, and it is accuracy graph, and we are testing with that test data, and it is a confusion matrix. We are getting 99% accuracy we are getting, and in very perfect means 98.89. You are rounding off, we are getting the 99. Got it? No. Then we are going with a confusion matrix. Everything is done. Okay. This is the best model is ANN model. This model is stored as a deep neural network.h5 model. We are with the help of this deep neural h5 model, we develop the front-end URL. In the front-end web application we are creating. In the front-end web application, you can able to register. Okay. I can able to click here, register here. I can able to go with that Ganesh, one name, Ganesh at gmail.com. Password, some password I'm giving. I'm register it. Now I'm going to log in. No, registration is successful. It is coming. Now we are going for login. Login. I give the mail ID Ganesh Gmail. Password I'm giving that. Login. It's login. Now in this thing you can able to type the URL. Here I already have the sample URLs. These are not phishing. You know that the facebook.com is a not phishing URL. You have to give with an HTTPS. With this we have to give the detail. I'll test that. I'm giving this URL and I'm submitting it. It is showing that it's a not phishing. Similarly, I can able to give any other thing. Flipkart.com. I'm giving that. It is also telling not phishing. Now I'm going with an one thing like the HTTPS only. These are the phishing websites, fake websites. It is telling now web phishing. It is web phishing. We can try with that one more thing, eBay. It is a non-phishing. Non-phishing. One more final thing we can check with that something, PayPal. PayPal is a original only, but it's a duplicate. PayPal -secure. It is coming now. It is a duplicate. It is a phishing website. And here we have the algorithm in this front end also. Support vector classifier, classification matrix of the support vector classifier, and the confusion matrix, and the ANN model or deep neural network model accuracy plot, and the loss plot, and the confusion classification report, and the confusion matrix. Everything will be there. You want to change password, you can able to change your password here, and back to home page. You can test it, or you want to complete, you can go with a logout. Sure logout, it will come out. Got it? No. So that we trained the model using the Jupyter notebook. Two models we trained. The best model we are integrating with the front end Flask thing. Okay. This is the concept of this project. We clearly explained this thing in the architectural diagram. Okay. Then what our software we used also we told. The front end is called inference file. That also we did it. And conclusion, ML and DL are powerful too for the phishing detection. Even 85% is a very good using SVC model. Earlier models are a very worst. They are not achieving the good accuracy. Whereas the deep learning we are getting that 98.89, that is a 99% accuracy we are giving. That is the ANN provides higher accuracy. We are doing that. In future enhancement, we can able to integrate this thing with the extension to the Google Chrome and other thing. We can able to do that. When you are typing the URL only tell it is phishing or not, we can do that. It's a future enhancement. We are not done with this project. Then thank you for listening this video, and to get this project at a nominal cost, contact 7899458552, or you can able to send a mail to ieeeprojecthubindia@gmail.com. You want more project like this, you can visit our website www.ieeeprojecthub.com. Thank you once again. Thanks for listening. Your calls or your queries are welcome.